Now sin ax by sin bx. So basically, you know the formula sin x by x is, and sin x, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. So basically, we need to put it in this form now. Sin ax is there, so you want the denominator also should be ax, and sin bx is there, that also denominator you want as bx. Then only you can apply the formula. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, in order to, if you want the sin ax as denominator, then what you will do? You will multiply and divide with ax. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So, numerator you multiply and divide with ax, denominator also you multiply and divide with bx. So, you can apply the limit x tends to 0 on numerator also, and you can apply the limit x tends to 0 on the denominator also. Then x will get cancelled, and then you will get the answer. Correct?
So we multiply the numerator with sin ax and divide it by sin x, and then we multiply the denominator with bx and divide it with dx.
Yes, you are right. Then only it will come in the form of sin x by x, no? Whatever the angle of sine is there, that angle has to be in the denominator.
So then we'll get this as a by b, right?
Yes, you are right. You will get as a by b,
Okay.
or you will get b by a. Try, because yeah, you will get a by b only. Correct. Yeah, you will get a by b only. You got this answer now? Understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Next question.
The 17th.
17th part. Okay. So let's go to the 17th part. Okay, let's understand the 17th one. Cos 2x minus 1 and cos x minus 1. Right? Now here, how do you apply the sin x? Let's try to do that. We also need to apply the sin x formula. So cos 2x minus 1. You remember the cos 2x formula? 1 minus 2 sin square x. Correct? Cos 2x in terms of sin x will be how much? Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Right? And cos x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Understood? Got it?
So I didn't get that part.
Okay. What is the cos 2x formula? Cos 2x formula is cos square x minus sin square x, right? Then cos square x changed to 1 minus sin square x. So it will become 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus sin 2 square x. Sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x in the numerator. So 1 will get cancelled. So it will be sin square x.
Yes, sir.
Understood this part? Next.
Yes, sir.
Denominator also you can change to 1 minus 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2.
Okay.
So denominator also 1 will get cancelled. Now you can apply the formula. Limit x tends to 0.
Okay, sir.
Try. Let's see how do you do that.
So
Yeah, yeah.
Done.
You got the answer now for this case?
Yes, I got it.
Excellent. So you got three
X minus
equations, 3
0.7
unknown
whole square plus
variables.
y minus 1.3 whole square equals 12.58.
Yes.
Yeah, I made a mistake the first time, so I had to redo the entire thing again.
Oh, okay. But you could get the answer, right? That is important.
Yeah.
So you got the equation of circle. What is this equation of circle you got?
X minus 0.7 whole square plus y minus 1.3 whole square equals 12.58.
Excellent. Superb. No problem, Vijay. Can you take this exercise 11.1 as a part of homework then? Let's try to finish and mark the question so that
Yes, sir.
which you are not getting it, then we can discuss and resolve it. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Fine, Vijay. Sure.
Okay, so I'll leave, sir.
Yeah, fine, Vijay. No problem. Sure.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Yeah, you are getting Tanisha. Just send me a working so that I'll just check this part.
So we can write cos 2x 1 minus 2 sine square x, right?
Yeah. 1 minus 2
And
sine
what
square
will be
x.
cos x?
Cos x, again the angle will be half. 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2.
Okay, sir.
Angle will become half, no?
Yes, sir.
So once you get the sin x, sin square x
So I
by,
got
yeah, tell me, Tanisha.
So I got 1 minus 2 sine square x divided by 1.
Yeah, 1 and 1 will get cancelled, no, Tanisha?
Yes, sir. So after that I got 2 sine square x divided by 2 sine square x by 2.
Correct. 2 also get cancels.
So even sine square x and sine square x, right?
Sin square x and divide by sin square x by 2.
Yes, sir. So we can take the 2 on the numerator, so we'll get the
Yes,
limit
yes,
plus
yeah.
2, right?
Yes, you can. Yeah, you can take it numerator. Yeah, basically you want the angle to be in the denominator. You know. So if it is sine x, you want x as in denominator also. So you have to multiply and divide. You know, since it is sine square, so you want to have x square, right? The denominator
Yes,
is again here sine square x by 2. So you want denominator also in the x by 2 whole square. Then only sine x by 2 by x by 2 whole square will come. So we can apply the formula.
Okay.
Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
So sine square x by sine square x by 2. 2 cancelled. Oh, this is not sine square x by 2. Oh, okay, this is wrong, Tanisha. This x by 2 is angle, not sine square x divided by 2. Got it? So
Okay,
this is
sir.
angle, okay. This 2 is not here. This 2 is basically is x by 2 here. Yeah, I'll just send you this where the mistake happened. This is the angle, Tanisha. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Understood, right? Clear? So this 2 is not there. 2 is there on the sine square x by 2. The angle. Angle is x by 2. So on the top angle is x.
Okay.
Understood, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then you basically you need to apply the limit as 2 gets cancelled, and yeah, you need to apply with sine x by x entire whole square. So basically this is sine square x, no? So you need to basically again denominator also should be square, so then you can apply the formula you want in this formula. Then you want is sine square x by 2, sine square x by 2 by x square by 4. So you want x square by 4 division, so it will be x square by 4, so 4 will go on the top. Okay, so check, Tanisha, I'm just sending you this part so you can understand what is happening in this case. So you want to get in the form of sine square x by 2, isn't it? Sine square x by x square you want, because then only you can apply the limit on numerator. Limit x tends to 0. Then entire sine x by x will become whole square will become 1, right? And x square anyway will get cancelled, so denominator also will be sin x by 2 by x by 2, limit x tends to 0, that also will become 1, and x, the answer should come 4.
So can you repeat again?
See, what we want is sin x by x whole square, limit x tends to 0. So we need to put denominator as x, so we need to multiply and divide with x square, right? Because it's a sin x whole square is there, right? No, so that's why I did multiply and divided with x square, so it becomes, we can apply the limit on sin square x by x square. Got it? Next, in the denominator we want to again apply the limit for the sin square x by 2 divided by x by 2 whole square, because angle is x by 2, so here down also angle should be x by 2, then only you can apply the limit. Since it is square, sin square it is there, so everything has to be in the square, so it will become x square by 4. So how did it get x square by 4? By applying, then multiply and divide with x square by 4. So x square by 4 I put denominator, multiplied with x square by 4, so x square will be in denominator and numerator will go 4 up. So x square and x square will get cancelled. So sin, whatever the, you can apply the limits now, limit x tends to 0. So numerator also sin x by x whole square will become 1, and denominator also sin x by 2 and x by 2 whole square will become 1. So answer will become 4.
Okay.
You getting?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You got it, no? If you get it, this part, it will be easy for you because it's simple only.
So the next one is the 20th one.
Next is 20th one, okay? Okay, here also the same thing, Tanisha. Your goal is to get the sin ax by ax, and your goal is in denominator to get sin bx by bx. Then only you can apply the limits, right? So in order to get sin ax by ax, so you have to multiply and divide the numerator with ax. You have to get the sin, to get the angle bx in denominator, you need to multiply and divide with bx in denominator also. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Try it out.
So the whole sin ax plus bx will get multiplied with ax?
Yeah, because one term you cannot do that, no? That will be multiplied and divided with whole terms.
Okay, sir.
Or you can do that also, because it's as good as it's one only, so you can do that also. See, you can do like that also, Tanisha. See, sin ax is there, so you can multiply and divide with ax on sin ax term only. So it's as good as is one sin ax only. Right, no?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Because anyway you are not disturbing the sin ax there. So that sin ax can be written as what? Ax into sin ax by ax. Yeah. You can write like this, right? I'll just send you. You can write like this, right? Correct? And similarly, sin bx we can write like how? So we want the sin bx, that means bx into sin bx by bx. So we are not changing anything, right? No, but we can group the sin bx by bx. Understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Once you got this part, then you apply the limit, you will get the answer.
So is it 1?
Yes, absolutely correct. The answer is 1. Yeah, when you apply the limit now, x tends to 0, answer is 1 only, right?
बोलेगी हमको तो भी इधर ऐसे
Next doubt, Tanisha, next question.
Yes, sir. Also 19th one as well.
19th also, okay. X by x secant x. So secant x can be changed to cos x now.
So, sir, we have to write x 1 by cos x.
Yes, cos x we can change to cos x. If you want to apply for the sin x, it will be, we can do that. But cos x anyway,
cos
it's
x
0. Cos x denominator will be 1 only. So you can apply the limit directly only. X by cos x, we apply the limit directly. X equal to 0. The answer will be 0 only. Because it will become 0 by 1, no?
So can you repeat again?
So it will be x by cos x, correct? And you apply the limit x tends to 0 now. So it will become 0 by cos 0. Cos 0 is nothing but 1. So it becomes 0 by 1. 0 by 1 answer is 0.
Okay, sir.
So no need to apply the sin x by x formula here.
So where we use the theorem which is 1 by cos x by x is equal to 0.
1 by cos x by x equal to 0.
1 minus cos x by x is equal.
You don't have to use it little, because 1 minus cos x by x is 0 is just to, get back to the same sin x by x formula only. Because 1 minus cos x can be written as what? 2 sin square x by 2, isn't it? And denominator is x. So you can again apply. Basically your formula remains is sin x by x only.
Okay, sir.
So this formula will not be used so often, 1 minus cos x by x. This is just for the information only.
Sir, even the So even the 21st one, can we use like the cos 0 degree minus cot 0 degree? Can we use it directly?
Sin 0 and cot 0. Cosec 0, no, here you can't use it. Because cosec 0 is not defined.
Okay, sir.
You can't
So
use
then
it.
we have to take as 1 by some.
Yeah. The moment it comes to not defined.
And then we have to multiply.
Yes. So it will become the 1 by sin x minus cos x by sin x, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now you can apply. Just now you told me that 1 minus cos x by x when you want to apply the formula. Now here you can apply it because you already got the numerator as 1 minus cos x. So you just need the denominator x only. So you can multiply and divide with x, and denominator is sin x. You need x again in the denominator. Sin x by x you want. So again you multiply and divide.
So the equation become as 1 by sin x minus cos x by sin x, right?
Correct. Take the LCM.
And then after, so it will become as sin x minus cos x divided by sin x.
Sin x minus cos. Why it will become sin x minus cos x? It will become 1 minus cos x, no?
So 1 minus cos x by sin x.
Yeah, correct. Just now you asked me the formula where to use 1 minus cos x by x whole by x. Now you can use this
Yes, sir.
formula here. Correct?
So then we have to multiply and divide it by x, right?
Yeah, correct. You are right.
So I'm getting it as 0.
You get the answer as 0? Yeah, correct answer, Tanisha.
Yes, sir.
It's correct answer.
So basically in the denominator, when we get sin x, so the denominator also we have to multiply and divide by x, right?
Yeah. Yes. So denominator you will get 1 then. Sin x by x is 1. So 0 by 1 will be 0.
Yes.
Understood, right? 0 by 1 will be 0.
Yes.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Excellent. Now, which question next?
So 29th one.
29th.
9th.
Okay, let's go to 29th now. Yeah. So what is the a1, a2, a and b the fixed real numbers, and define a function f of x is equal to x minus a bar, x minus a1, x minus a2 and so on. And what is the limit x tends to a1 f of x for some a not equal to a1, a2 and a, and compute the limit x tends to a f of x. Good. So we need to find the limit for this one. How do you find the limit of this part? Let's understand how exactly we are going to do this question. Now, what they have given you is limit x tends to a, x tends to a1 f of x, right? We need to find that one, right? So x tends to a1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so when you put x tends to a1, so what exactly you will get the answer? Let's see. So here in your, this is a polynomial function, x minus a1, x minus a2 and so on, alright?
Yes, sir.
And for some a not equal to, okay, what is the limit of x tends to a1 f of x, right? So what will be when the x tends to a1? So x tends to a1, that means since it's the product of all the functions, so you can apply the limits individually to each function. Limit x tends to a1 for x minus a1, then limit x tends to a1 to x minus a2 and so on, then limit x tends to a1 to x minus a per n. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Understood this part?
Yes, sir.
So now when you apply, so first term will become 0. A1 minus A1
Yes,
will
sir.
become 0. So entire term will become 0. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Entire term will become
Yes, sir.
0. Now, similarly,
0.
we need to apply for the limit x tends to a1 f of x for the a not equal to a1, a2, a3. So that will just becomes the a minus a1 into a minus a2 into so many things. Understood, right? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, write it down this part so that you can understand this part, okay? Hmm.